If someone can help me with this, it's like a glitch, I think. I don't know. When I press my home base, it loads. Then it kicks me, it won't start. If y'all could comment how to fix that, I'd be happy to. Please help me. Say that. See, it like stopped the matchmaking for some reason. I don't know how to fix that. If y'all can help me, please comment down below.